Suzuki just made a bold move that nobody saw coming. The RM-Z badge is going big, really big. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 takes everything we loved about Suzuki's dirt pedigree and supersizes it into a serious adventure-ready machine. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're exploring whether Suzuki's gamble pays off. Let's get into it. Design. The RM-Z 1050 is aggressive and purposeful. Suzuki has blended their motocross DNA with adventure bike practicality, and the result is striking. Sharp angles, muscular bodywork, and that signature Suzuki yellow make this bike impossible to ignore. The riding position is upright and commanding, with a tall windscreen and handguards that mean business. Long travel suspension and spoke wheels wrapped in dual sport rubber show this machine is ready for anything: pavement, gravel, or trails. Performance. The heart of this beast is an all-new 1050cc parallel twin engine that delivers impressive grunt across the rev range. Power comes on strong and linear, making it perfect for both highway cruising and technical off-road sections. The handling is surprisingly nimble for a big adventure bike, thanks to Suzuki's lightweight chassis philosophy. Whether you're tackling fire roads or interstate miles, the RM-Z 1050 feels planted and composed. The suspension soaks up everything without feeling wallowy, and braking performance is strong and predictable. Features and technology. Suzuki packed this bike with modern essentials. Riders get a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes including off-road specific settings, cornering ABS, and traction control that can be adjusted on the fly. Heated grips, LED lighting, and USB charging come standard. The quick shifter makes road riding effortless, while cruise control handles those long stretches. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is Suzuki's boldest statement in years. Is this the adventure bike you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth bike breakdowns. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.